Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent Messenger from accessing your microphone. Privacy matters, and taking control of your device's permissions is a simple but powerful way to protect it. Let's dive right in. Start by unlocking your phone and locating the Settings app. This is your gateway to managing all device permissions. Open it, and once inside, scroll down to find the Apps section. Depending on your device, this might also appear as App Management or Applications. Tap to open it. Next, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find Messenger. Once you locate it, tap to open the app's settings. Here, you'll see details like storage usage and notifications. But what we need is the Permissions tab. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see a list of permissions Messenger currently has, things like camera, contacts, or location. Look for microphone in the list and tap it. This opens a menu with 3 options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or don't allow. Select don't allow to completely block microphone access. Once you've made this change, exit the settings. To ensure the update takes effect, you may want to force close the Messenger app. Swipe it away from your recent apps list or use the force stop option in the app settings. And that's it. You've now restricted Messenger from using your microphone. This simple adjustment ensures your conversations stay private and prevents unexpected audio access. Remember, app permissions can occasionally reset after updates, so it's a good habit to check these settings periodically. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your device's privacy. Stay in control, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.